going up, MVP investors? So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the multi-billion-dollar company called Apple. And we're going to decide whether it is a good stock to invest in for the long term. I currently own about 4 shares of Apple. I bought at $170. So I'm already up $10 per share roughly. But as you see here, over the course of, I believe they came out in the a long time ago, and they started work up and they started to get more popular. And yes, they do have setbacks, like right here, right here. But that is common for all kinds of stocks, and it's normal. Stocks go up and down. There's no stock that just goes straight up, and if there was, everyone would invest in it. But so over the past, this is, I believe these are years, because this is maxed out. But let's go, let's look at it. Let's start off at 3 years. Okay, so see, over the past 3 years, it's up 98%. So if you would have invested in this 3 years ago, you would have almost doubled your money. So yeah, so I believe Apple is a great long-term stock. They're going to be around for a while, and they're only going to improve, and they're going to get bigger and bigger. But yeah, so let's look at the 1 year chart. See, the 1 year chart, yes, they do have setbacks. They go up and down, down, up. But that's what it's expected. See, what I did for a swing trade, I swing traded Apple. I knew that there was going to be a some support. Whoops. Some support right here at around 150, and so I actually I swing traded this. I'll show you what I did just real quick here. So you guys can see pretty clear how it falls and then hits that support and then bounces, and that's all I waited for. I waited for confirmation at 150 5, I believe. Yeah, 155. See, as you can see, I don't use discount because there's only like 15 bucks on it. But I used SureTrader and Robinhood just so I don't have to pay for commissions on Robinhood, and I can day trade with SureTrader. But so that's let me show you. So I bought in at 155, and where was that? Oh yeah, drawing tools. And I sold out at 75. Because I wasn't sure if it was going to come all the way back up to the resistance, which it did at exactly 180. It was perfect. Everything played out just as I expected it. So I bought in at 55. Where is that? That's just, okay, so we're right around there. And I sold out at 75. I think it was, yeah. So around here, So that's a 13% gain. That was a great little trade, but we're talking long term. So we like to look at the big picture stuff. So I believe, Apple's not going to go anywhere, and I believe you guys should get into it. When you can, because it's only at 164 or 176, excuse me. But it's not going to go anywhere anytime soon. Excuse me again, sorry. But yeah, so yeah, I would invest in Apple, and oh yeah, I was gonna look up over the past 1 year what they did. Hold on. So over the past 1 year, if you would have bought it at 138, that's a 30% gain. Over 30%, in 1 year. The stock market on average only does 12. So right there, you're gonna beat the S&P 500. You're gonna beat, you know, the Dow. You're gonna beat all kinds of stuff. If you, all you gotta do is just put some, every month, put some money in Apple, put some money in the S&P 500, you know, and you're gonna accumulate some wealth pretty quick. I would, but oh, geez, all right, but yeah, so I would recommend, you know, getting in, see if it can. Whoops, zoom out here. Sorry. Um, let's see if we can, you know, it's going to push back up to 80, and then once it breaks that 80 resistance, you know, there's nothing stopping it from going to 200. So I believe this stock within the next year, by the beginning of 2019, you know, it should be easily over, you know, $120, just going through the average over the past year, you know. But yeah, so that's going to be it though for me today. So we talked about Apple and whether it is a good long-term stock to invest in, and I believe it is. You know, some people say no, to invest in something that doesn't cost as much and so on. But at the time, you know, right now it seems as an expensive stock, but it's not going anywhere, and it's going to just continue to rise up. But alright, so that's going to be it though for me today. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. And we're going to be kind of not changing my channel a little bit, but we're going to be doing more long-term trading starting. We're going to start doing that. We're going to be talking about some, you know, other aspects of wealth. We're going to be talking about investing in mutual funds, you know, anything to do with money. We're going to be talking about it on this channel. We're gonna just kind of branch out from day trading. We're still gonna do it, and we're still gonna swing trade, do all kinds of good stuff. But we're gonna look for quality setups, and then we're gonna execute on those. Oh, also, if you guys want to be in my Facebook group, I'll put the link in the description. I called out some stocks today that already are over 14% in gains. So that's going to be it though. Hope everybody enjoyed this video. Peace out, MVP investors. Thanks for watching.